Hey guys, what's up? It's Eric with Advanced Level Automotive. Today I got this 2013 Chrysler 300. It's got the 5.7 liter Hemi engine in it. A real common problem with these. I've seen it more than a handful of times, so I figured maybe I'll share it with you. Hopefully it might help somebody. Let me show you what's going on. So here's the AC controller right here, and whenever you want to push the recirculating button so that you can recirculate the airflow, you'll get this flashing light right here, and it won't go into recirculating mode. So anytime it doesn't want to go into recirculating mode, you'll notice usually like a 5 to 10 degree difference in the temperature. It's usually a little bit warmer, so that might be why a customer would be complaining about their AC not cooling. Another symptom might be if you run a code scan using a scan tool. If you find a code that comes up for a humidity sensor, it's a real common issue. The humidity sensor needs to be replaced. I've done, like I said, more than a handful of these. It's a real common issue. Let me show you where the humidity sensor is located and how to replace it. All right, so if you look up at the windshield behind the rearview mirror, you're gonna find this little part right here. I already have the cover removed and the sensor removed, but this is what it's gonna look like right here. This is the cover. Use a pick tool to pop the cover off, and inside you'll find the sensor. This is what the sensor looks like right here. This is the new one. There's a connector right here. You just pop the connector off and you can pop the sensor out. Install the new sensor. It's very straightforward to do. Very easy. The sensor cost about 60 bucks plus tax. Once you pop the new sensor into place, make sure it's secure. Then you can go ahead and reconnect the connector. Like so. And then we can reinstall the cover. And that's it. Now you can clear the codes and check to see if it's working. As you can see, our recirculation button is now working. The AC is now going into recirculation and it's cooling much better. Anyways guys, I hope you found the video useful. If you need, this is the part number. Got the bag right here. I believe it's this 5511 number. This part number is for the new humidity sensor for this particular model. But I would probably call the dealer, give them your VIN number just to double check so that you make sure you get the correct part. Anyways, I hope this video helped somebody out. If it did, please hit the like button. If you enjoy the channel, please subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, you can always comment down below, and I hope to see you in the next one. Thanks guys.